Hello everyone, welcome back again. In today's video, I'm going to be going over 10 mistakes most of the traders make. Do not make these mistakes if you want to be a successful day trader, please, okay? Mistake number 1 is not having a trading plan. If you want to be a successful day trader, you have to have a plan, because trading is a business, and if you don't have a plan, you have no business. So make sure you have a proper, the rules before you start trading. Number 2, okay? Number 2 is misusing margin or leverage. Margin is when you borrow money from the broker, okay? Let's say you have a $10,000 account and the broker gives you 10 times that money, okay? Do not count on the broker, margin money. Just stay within your account limit, all right? Number 3, chasing trades. Chasing trades is when a lot of people, what they do is when they see the trade moving already, they want to get in that trade, because of fear of missing out, and they end up losing or even blowing their account. So you got to stay away from that. You got to be patient. Always wait for your setup to show up in the market and then take the trade that you're supposed to be taking. Okay. Number 4, not understanding market and limit orders. Okay. It's good to understand when to use, buy limit or sell limit. Okay. Sometimes what happens is you set up a trade, at a supply zone that you want to sell that trade from a supply zone, but the trade continues going up and hits your stop loss, then you lose money. Or you buy in a trade from a demand zone, you set it, buy limit at a demand zone, the trade, you think the trade was going to go up, but the trade continues going down, and you end up, it ends up, stopping you out. So you don't want to make that mistake. You got to know when to use limit orders. Okay. Number 5, guys. Okay, listening to tips. This is very important. What I mean is, a lot of traders, they go on social media like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, whatever it is, and they see traders who are showing off their money, flashing, their, luxury cars or whatever it is, or houses, and then many traders get jealous and they want to imitate and get rich quick. So they go into the market with the mentality of becoming rich overnight, and they end up blowing the entire capital, okay, or their entire account. So never make this mistake. Be yourself. You are unique. No one has your fingerprints, okay? Do not compare yourself to nobody. Just stay being yourself, all right? Very important, guys. Number 6, okay, refusing to cut losses. Money traders do not cut their losses short by any means. Let's say you buy a trade from an example of a demand zone, okay? You thought the trade was going to go up, but it went the opposite side. So what do you do now? You got to exit that trade because it did not work out the way it's supposed to work out, okay? So accept your mistakes, accept your, whatever it is that happened, move on and cut your losses short, because there's always another day to trade, okay? Do not make this mistake, because I've seen a lot of traders make this mistake, and I myself made this mistake when I started trading, okay? So don't do the same thing, guys. Stay away from this. Number 7, trading too early or too late in the day. Money traders trade too early. They trade before they see their trading strategy appear in the market. They're not patient. They just want to get in the trade. They want to, move with whatever it is that's moving in the market. That's not the proper way to trade. You have to be patient, and you got to wait for the right setup to appear in the market, okay? Don't make a mistake that is going to cost you to blow your entire account, all right? Number 8, letting your emotions rule. This brain is very important. You got to know how to control your brain. You got to know how to control your emotions. If you just become someone that follows their emotion, you will never be able to make the right decisions, okay? So what I mean by this is, let's say you lose a trade and you hit your maximum daily loss. What do is you gotta you gotta close your computer, move on, and wait until the next day, okay? But some traders, what they do is they get into emotional. They want to, make up their losses. They want to win over the market. They want to do whatever it takes to make sure that they get their money back from the market. Do not make this mistake, guys. Once you make that mistake, you will blow your account, okay? Because if your emotions are not in check, you will not function properly, okay? You're not going to be able to function properly, and you don't want to make this mistake. This is very, very important. I made this mistake in the past. Please do not do the same thing, okay? Number 9, having unrealistic expectation. A lot of traders, they, like I said previously, they see people who are traders who are in the market for a long time, making a lot of money, and they want to become like those traders, you know, compare themselves to other traders. Then they think about becoming rich overnight. That will cost them lose the entire account. So do not make this mistake. Take your sweet time. If you are alive tomorrow, you will see the market, okay? The market will always be here. If you are alive, the market will always be here. So take your time, be patient. Do not make this mistake. Just be careful with that, all right? Number 10, guys, going into day trading, you know, going into trading uneducated, okay? Going into trading uneducated. This point is very, very, very important. I cannot emphasize this more than any other thing, okay? Make sure you have the proper education from the right mentor. You gotta find a good mentor that teaches you how to trade properly before you start, you know, taking trades in a real account. You gotta be patient. You have to learn how to trade. You know, if you get the right education, the market will always be here, okay? So do not make this mistake of going into the market blindly. You know, again, this is your boy, Jamal Jinnit, open-minded trader. If you like what you see, please follow and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and share this video to someone that, you know, might end up, you know, getting help from it. Thank you very much again. Until next time, peace out.